Dyma le ni wedi byw ers bron i 2 blynedd. Wnaethon ni brynu darn o dir yng Ngorllewin Cymru fel bod ni'n gallu cyflawni ein gôl.
O fyw bywyd syml heb lot o stuff.
Fi di Jon.
Fi di Emilie. A
dyma
cini Maggie.
Wnaethon ni werthu ein tŷ mwyn prynu hen safle carafanau oedd yn arfer bod yn gartre i'r glowyr oedd yn gweithio cyferbyn y tir. Y gôl yw adeiladu cabanau a phebys glampio fel bod pobl yn gallu dod i aros. Hwn yw'r olygfa ni'n mynd i cael o'r cabin, so pretty amazing. Ond mae byw mewn carafan gyda'r tywydd wastad yn newid yn meddwl bod cwpwl o heriau wedi bod ar hyd y ffordd.
John, how is it?
Really? Proper snow.
Not ideal. Ond ni dal yn bwrw ati, come rain or shine.
So not the best weather am defnyddio periannau trydan. So amser am y sledgehammer.
Felly dilynwch ni wrth i ni Adeiladu'r Freuddwyd.
So enw fi yw Jon James, fi'n reiddiol yn dod o Llanymddyfri, a mae gyd o teulu fi wedi dod o'r Cwm Gwendraeth.
I'm Emilie James. I grew up in Wiltshire, but my family is Welsh and Irish, and I moved to Wales when I was 19 to study photography, and that's where I met John.
O'n i wedi cwrdd yn prifysgol yn Casnewydd. O'n i'n ffrindiau am cwpl o blynyddoedd, a wedyn we became boyfriend and girlfriend. Ar ôl gorffen prifysgol, o'n i wedi byw gyda'n gilydd am llawer o blynyddoedd, o'n i'n symud fel dros gyd o Prydain, a ni wedi gorffen lan yn byw yn Llundain, ble o'n i'n gweithio mewn fel advertising photography. Ond o'n i wedi gweld yn eitha gloi amser o'n i wedi symud yna. It wasn't for us, o'n i moyn symud nôl i Cymru. O'n i'n meddwl am syniadau am busnesu oedd gallu mynd ni nôl i Cymru. So cymerodd e cwpl o blynyddoedd i settle lan y busnes yn neud priodasau, so photography am priodasau. A hwnna oedd y plan wedyn i symud mas o Llundain nôl i Cymru. So ni wedi bod gyda'n gilydd nawr am 16 blwyddyn, a ni wedi bod yn briod am 7 mlwyddyn, fi'n credu.
Yeah, and here we are 16 years later with our dog child Maggie living in a caravan in a muddy field in West Wales.
Ar ôl gwerthu popeth, dyma lle ni'n byw nawr. Ni wedi prynu hwn am £1,500 o bunnoedd ar-lein. A'r cam cyntaf i ni oedd sbrwso lan y carafan i wneud ein bach mwy cartrefol.
And as you can see, it looks very old and dated. Not quite our style, so we're giving it a little revamp.
Ni'n tynnu'r stafell ymolchi mas achos mae'n mouldy. Ni'n trwsio'r llawr ac yn peintio popeth yn wyn. Ac mae'n barod am frenhines.
Brenhines Maggie.
400 punt mae'r ei gosti i adnewyddu'r carafan.
O'n i wedi penderfynu dechrau edrych am tir i fel sefydlu tŷ neu cartref arno.
One of the main things I've always wanted is for us to live within our means and be sensible with our money. So that's when we started looking for land to try and bring that dream to life. It was looking online and all the normal for sale sites, and then I started asking weekly in our local Facebook groups if anyone was selling any land. And then that's when we heard about the caravan park to start with.
So ar ôl Emilie gofyn loads o weithiau i dod i gweld y tir yma, a geifyn, daethon ni lawr y driver tro cyntaf a gweld yr olygfa mas fan hyn i'r Gorllewin, lawr y Cwm Gwendraeth, a o'n i wedi dychmygu wedyn beth gallwn ni wneud ar y tir yma. So o'n i gwerthu popeth oedd gyda ni, a ni wedi ala 90,000 o bunnoedd ar y tir. Fi'n credu mae'r ardal hyn yn kind of cornel o Sir Gar sydd wedi cael ei angofio. So mae'n rili cyffrous i cael ei gweld beth ni'n gallu wneud yma a dongos i pawb. So ble ni'n cerdded lawr i nawr, hwn yw'r golygfa ar cefn y tir. So mae 2.5 acres dyn ni wario gyda. So ni wedi bod yn brysur yn glanhau a torri yn ôl gyd o'r hen coedwig a'r gwair. So chi'n gweld nawr mas i'r view i'r Ngorllewin. Y plan lan fan hyn yw i byw y breuddwyd, build your own house, nice west-facing sunset pob nos, campfire, log burner, cerdded y ci beth i'r lle, mortgage free, yeah.
Ond nawr bod y tir gyda ni, mae'n amser ni droi'r freuddwyd mewn i reality. So dyma'r cynllun ni. Gardd bach neis i dyfu llysiau a ffrwythau ein hunain. Un caban lle mae gwesteion yn gallu ddod i mwynhau'r olygfa. Wedyn safle glampio gyda 2 babell a lle tân. Wedyn ni'n mynd i adeiladu'r ail gaban lle ni'n mynd i fyw gyda Maggie.
And a wellness retreat complete with a hot tub and sauna.
A hyn i gyd tra bod y ddau o ni gyda swyddi llawn amser. Felly y cam cyntaf yw taclo'r tir. A'r job mwyaf sydd gyda ni yw gael gwared o'r tair hen garafan sydd ar y safle, a'r holl stwff sydd tu fewn.
We have done so many trips in our van to the recycling centre, and we've still got so much more material we need to get rid of.
Felly amser i graco ymlaen.
Oh, so which one is it on?
2, 3.
Wrth i ni tacluso'r safle, ni wedi dod ar draws lot o stwff sy'n amlwg di bod yna ers sbel. Ac yn hyn, oedd tipyn ohonyn mewn stad eitha da.
What's this?
Photo.
Exercise book, Glamorgan Educational Centre,
Wow.
Cow Hall.
Is that a school book?
Looks like it.
17th of December 1951.
School Chronicle.
1930. That's so cool.
Ond nid jyst lluniau o pobl ni di ffindo, mae hefyd lot o luniau o'r safle fel oedd yn edrych o'r blaen.
Thank you. Yeah. Come on.
Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl.
Stay. That's crazy, isn't it? Literally.
I think that's the biggest difference from what it is to now. So that's where the park is.
And that's the coal mine. So just yn gros y heol fan hyn, oedd un o'r pwt glo fwyaf yn De Cymru. A wedyn y safle fan hyn oedd y hen safle carafanau am y gweithwyr, y glowyr oedd yn gweithio fyna yn y gwaith yn Cynllunio.
So we started looking online at the history and what the site used to be like, and that's where we came across a lot of photos, and we were really interested to find out more.
Lovely to meet you.
Phil, is it?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Phil.
Hi there, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
I hear you've got an exciting project on.
Just a little bit here. Do you want to come and have a
I'd
look?
love to, yeah. Lead the way.
I'll show you.
The history of this site began and is interconnected with Cynllunio Colliery.
Yeah.
And Cynllunio was the largest anthracite mine in Western Europe. There was 1,600 men working in that mine. We were in quite a unique situation here at the end of the war. And the people, your ancestors and my ancestors, our families, were still on rationing.
Yeah.
And the coal board brought something like 100, 120 workers, mostly from the Eastern Bloc and Germany.
Yeah.
So some were living in the caravans here on site, and some were living in the hostel, which they built a little bit later. Would you like to see a plan of the pit to show how large it is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
There were 50 miles of underground roadways at Cynllunio.
That's bonkers.
So,
It's hard to imagine.
yeah, I suppose it is really. In this picture, you can see a more modern picture of Cynllunio.
And the caravans.
Yeah, and there's there's your caravan park.
That is so cool.
Crazy.
Yeah,
And we're literally stood.
yeah,
Yeah, we are
Yeah.
literally stood right
Yeah.
there.
How cool is that?
yeah, yeah.
Mae'n crazy nawr I gweld bod dim byd really ar ôl. So lan yn y caf yna, chi'n gweld polyn yn stico mas. A na gyd sy'n ar ôl o'r lift shaft o bydde oedd y gwaith glo yn cneud. Just draw fan hyn wedyn, mae'r hen clwb. A hwnna bryd gyd o'r glowyr yn mynd am cwpl o beints wedyn ar ôl y shift. So amser ni'n dod lan i'r top y tip fan hyn, mae fe'n pretty crazy really I meddwl. Just draw fan nawr, dy ci fi'n gweithio, milltir dan y tir. So fi'n credu mae'n really cool I dod lan yma, just cofio gyd o'r pobl sydd wedi bod yn gweithio yma dros y blynyddoedd.
Dyna un o'r resymau eraill mae'r hanes o safle mor bwysig I fi. Oedd dy ci fi ochr mam yn gweithio yn y pwll glo fel trydanwr gyda ffil. Oedd hefyd yn rep yr undeb y glowyr cneidre.
I remember Islwyn well. And there's a picture in a book I published some years ago called Outbursts. And there is Islwyn.
Oh, no way.
If you had an outburst in Cynllunio, you'd remove your helmet from your head and you'd use the helmet as a mask.
Wow.
So that's what he's actually doing there. He's using his helmet to capture the air from the line and he would breathe it through the helmet.
So it's really cool I cwrdd gyda Phil. Oedd siwr gymaint o straeon dy fe am beth sydd wedi digwydd lan yma dros y blynyddoedd. Oedd yn amazing oedd llun dy fe yn un o'r llyfrau fe. Sa'i byth di gweld o dy ci fi actually yn gwaith dan y ddaear fan hyn. A gyda'r llun, mae'n cool I gweld un o'r pethau oedd pawb yn cofio dy ci fi am oedd am sideburns enwog e. Wel, mae rif dy ci fyna, Islwyn Rossa 204. So, beth yw'r y lamp tags maen nhw'n galw. Amser chi'n mynd mewn I gwaith yn y bore, o'ch chi'n mynd ar y tag oedd gyda rif chi arno fe. O'ch chi'n hongen e lan ar y wal, a wedyn oedd y boi'n rhoi lamp ti mynd dan ddaear wedyn.
We were trying to think of ways we could use them on the site, and we're thinking maybe in the little cabins we could do picture frames and put them in. That would be quite a nice way just to display them.
Ac bod y tir di newid tipyn ers dyddiad y ci, ni'n cael ein hatgoffa yn aml am hanes y safle.
This is what they call anthracite coal.
Gan fod glo ddim yn chep, ni ddim eisiau gwastraffu fe. Felly ni'n adeiladu bocs allan o hen bren o'r safle er mwyn cadw glo mewn un lle. Ni'n bwriadu defnyddio'r glo I gynhesu'r tŷ yn y dyfodol.
I'll show that to the camera. You see that?
Mae eitha lot o fe fyd, probably werth tua 1,000 o bunnau. Ar ôl misoedd o glirio'r sbwriel, ni'n barod I chwalu'r carafanau.
We're going to do this one on the end here. So, this is the last one that the old owner lived in.
So ni wedi cael wythnos brysur eto. Ni ar carafan rhif 2 nawr yn toen y lawr. Ni ar y pwynt ble ni'n bron yn barod I bwrw'r to lawr eto. So, sledgehammer mas a bwrw fe lawr to.
Gyda'r tywydd gwael, diolch Cymru, a swyddi llawn amser, mae popeth wastad yn teimlo'n hirach na beth ni'n meddwl.
So, update ar torri'r llawr lan. Actually insulation down the llawr, which was a surprise to us. A core absolute mess yma. Look at this. It's a lot mwy o waith na o'n i'n meddwl. Ni'n meddwl taw probably 1 hour's work o gyd o gwaith oedd o'n mynd I bod. Ond yeah, it's full afternoon. So.
The aftermath. John has not survived.
My back is killing.
Just got this last bit left to do.
a mess this is.
So I'm just going through and picking up like any bits of foam or wool that's just kind of lying everywhere on the ground.
It is buried. There's loads of it under here. It's quite deep.
Yes.
All under here. Yeah.
Not ideal.
Ni bron a colli'r golau heno, so ni wedi cael diwrnod da. Ni wedi manegio torri botwr cod bant heddi, sydd yn bloco'r glogfa o'r hen carafan. So ni wedi dechrau gweld nawr y vision. So amser mae'r cabin bach na, yn edrych mas ar y glogfa ar y sunset. So, good day. Edrych mlaen i fory.
Mae'r iaith Cymraeg yn pwysig iawn i ni, a ni moyn wneud yn siŵr bod ni'n defnyddio fe fel rhan o'r prosiect. So ni'n mynd i bod yn galw'r safle gwerthu y glowyr, a y cafan gyntaf enw fe bydd Caban y Glowyr. Mae'r prosiect fel hyn yn costi lot o arian i ddechrau, so o'n i'n edrych ar gyd o waniaeth ffyrdd o cael arian i dechrau. O'n i'n ffodus oedd Cyngor Sir Gar yn cynnig grant o'r enw'r Arfor grant, so ni wedi trial cael y grant. Ond o'n meddwl oedd rhaid ni dangos fel o'n i'n mynd i dod â mwy o pobl mewn yr ardal hyn, creu swyddi am ni yn y dyfodol, swyddi am pobl eraill. A cymerodd e 9 mis o mynd nôl ymlaen cyn i cael y thumbs up, a o'n nhw'n gweud o'n i cael y grant a ni allu dechrau ar y prosiect.
We were awarded £28,000, which was just unbelievable. It just means that we can move things a lot faster. As part of the grant, I also get the opportunity to learn Welsh as well, fi yn dysgu Cymraeg, which is such an amazing opportunity.
Say that?
Good girl.
Oh wait, what's hand? Llaw.
Llaw.
Llaw. Maggie. Maggie.
No.
Say that. Llaw.
Da iawn, Maggie. Wyt ti'n barod i ymarfer beth i fod yn dysgu?
Ydw.
Pwy i ti?
Fi di Emilie.
A ble ti'n byw?
Fi yn byw yn Cynheidra.
A ti'n siarad Cymraeg?
Tip and back, dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg.
A fel mae fe'n mynd, like how is it going?
Ofnadwy. Da iawn, diolch. Very well.
Okay.
If I was to say she was a pretty little dog, would I say Prodfa Cibach?
Ci bach prydferth.
Cibach Prodfa. I say it backwards.
I guess so.
Is that saying
So
little dog pretty?
Yeah, kind of, yeah. Mae Maggie yn ci bach prydferth.
Maggie and Cibach Prodfa.
A byddai'n trial dwy'n y treats.
How do I say that she's really hungry?
Mae ddi'n llwgu. She's starving. Llwgu, mae ddi'n starving. She's starving. So what are you finding hardest about trying to learn the language?
I think it's the pronunciation. So when we moved here, trying to learn how to say Llanelli and not say Llanelli was really hard, just trying to figure out where to put my tongue in my mouth to get the sound.
You're pretty good at that now.
And then also there's so many similar words for different things. So I learned what llaw is hand.
Yes.
But we were on a dog walk the other day and a lady was talking to a dog and I was like, why is it called hand? And you said it was called lion, which is
llaw.
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 Llaw. They're so similar, I can't get the difference.
And what was the other dog incident the other day?
We were walking Maggie the other day and someone was shouting Aros to their dog and I was like, that's such a nice name.
I was just telling him to wait.
Yeah. So it's just learning different words.
Yeah. Right, so hwn yw carafan rhif 3. So fi wedi cloro ochr path drwy'r coedwig fan hyn. A cable DN, so armoured electrical cable. So mae hwnna'n dod mas o'r ddeiar fan hyn. A mewn i bocs sydd mynd i fi'n y carafan hyn. A wedyn hwnna ble ni'n cael trydan ni ar y foment. So'r plan bydd just tynnu gyd o'r electrics a gyd o'r components yna mas. A roi nhw mewn i'r bocs yn wedyn fi'n mynd i adeiladu nawr. Nawr bod fi wedi gwneud hwnna, ni'n gallu cael gwared o'r drydydd garafan. Carafan rhif 3, done.
our tiny house is going to go here. We're going to build it in place of this because the caravan where it sits, it has direct access to the main sewers underneath. And we also love the view. So where these trees are, the sun sets. So we're going to remove the trees and the brambles.
Bod y broses hyd yn hyn yn cymryd lot o amser, o diwedd ni'n dechrau teimlo bod y holl ymdrech werth e. Mae'n anodd I gredu bod y tŷ wedi mynd o edrych fel hyn I fel hyn. Felly gan bod yn ei gynlluniau mawr,
A swnllyd.
ni wedi dod I nabod cymdogion ni'n eitha dda.
Maggie, we're going to go see Evan and G.
Hello, with it, Maggie? Who's that?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Maggie. It's nice to see you.
So you said that you used to live on the caravan site?
Yes, yes. We moved in 1965. It was an ideal spot for us, and we found that it was all Germans. It was a really nice community. It was like a small village, really.
Obviously, like where this house is now, this was, I guess, part of the caravan site.
This was part of this was another caravan site where the German bosses lived.
Oedd Irvin hefyd yn gweithio yn y pwllgo gyda dy ci.
Yn ffodus fe, fi oedd I fos e.
Beth oedd atgofion gorau ti amser ti'n byw ar y safle neu amser ti'n gweithio yn y pwllgo?
Y peth gorau oedd yn digwydd mynd oedd y carnifal blwyddyn.
Maybe we should bring it back.
Yeah, come on.
That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We enjoyed that.
When we moved here, it felt like home so quickly because everyone in the community is so welcoming. We call Irvin and Jean our street grandparents, but we just love it here. We feel right at home.
Yeah, we don't know if they know that.
Yeah, they might say no.
Oedd e'n hyfryd gweld rhywun yn symud mewn a dechrau clai lan, achos oedd wedi mynd yn ollol yn ibel ar ei glini fynd. A ni falch weld chi dod yna. A fel chi'n neud nawr, mae cymwni lan a chi'n neud rhywbeth o safon na. Na'r peth gorau I hwnna. A bod chi'n hapus na'r peth mwyaf.
So ni wedi clyro'r carafanau a thacluso'r tir,
Fi wedi dysgu bach o Gymraeg. And we're looking forward to making a start on building the first cabin.
tro nesa, byddwn ni'n cael top tips gan Adam Jones wrth ni geisio tyfu bwyd yn hunan ar y tir.
Gwisg cyninen yn dy gap, ie? Gwisgi yn dy galon. Dim modd cael gardd yng Nghymru heb gennin, right?
As the project is going to cost us a lot of money, we want to try and be as sustainable as we possibly can, so every penny counts.
A byddwn ni'n dangos rai o'r heriau ni wedi wynebu wrth ni adeiladu'r freuddwyd.
Rewi.